What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the stream. Guys, today we have an extremely exciting show. We're going to be doing the usual. We're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. We're going to be diving deep into the charts. You guys are going to get the sauce tonight. Speaking of sauce, I don't know if you see this here, but we got the sauce today. If you guys are watching the morning BitBoy Crypto show, the morning live stream, you will see I did bring my sauce up there with me. I'm thinking about maybe carrying the sauce with me everywhere, just in case, I'm ever in a place where someone needs the sauce, I could just give it to them real quick. But if you guys remember, the Wheel of Pain has punished me with, drinking some sauce straight out of the cup. I do have my cups here. Maybe we'll take it straight out of the jar. You never know. And if you did watch the morning stream, Ben, Mr. BitBoy Crypto himself, did mention that he may come down here and give this sauce a little try with me. We'll see if he comes through. If not, I'm gonna be drinking it anyway. That Wheel of Pain never disappoints. So stay tuned for that. Next big news here. Two more things. We got our TradingView tutorial. My TradingView tutorial is now up on YouTube, so definitely go check that out. I show you guys all the settings, everything I use, the shortcuts, the tips, the tricks, I give a little bit of sauce on there. If you guys are totally new to looking at charts, I try to explain how you could read the candlesticks, what they mean real briefly in that video. Super helpful for those who are just starting off looking at the charts. And then guys, today I think is the day. I did put that poll in chat trying to see who was able to get to that Market Cypher A video and leave a comment to enter our giveaway. Now, the poll is saying that the majority of you guys have not entered the giveaway, right? So depending on where this poll goes, if you have not voted, please vote just so I know. I want to make sure most of you guys were able to get in there and enter before we pick our winner. But if we can get that poll where majority of you guys are in, we will pick the winner tonight. We're going to use a random name picker. So it is nice and fair. We're going to be spinning the wheel, guys. We're going to be talking about how Bitcoin could possibly be on its way to 34K. I know it's not what everybody wants to hear, but hey, we see the opportunity. And guys, If you remember last night on the stream, we were talking about Bitcoin coming down to that golden pocket area. We were looking for a bounce off of that area. If you remember, we were talking about it for a possible scalp long. I did, unfortunately, I've been out of the trade for a while now. Otherwise, I would have it up with you guys right now. But I did catch a little scalp long off of that golden pocket bounce, closed it out at about 35% profit. Guys, if you made a trade off of that golden pocket and you got that little scalp long off of that bounce, put hashtag profit, hashtag bing bong, hashtag whatever you want. Just let me know you guys are making those bagels. We're here again. I haven't said this in a while. We're here in the New York Bagel Factory where I count the sesame seeds so you don't have to. I'm making the everything bagels. I got the bialys. I got the baguettes. I got everything. We're making the bread. We got the stacks of cash. We're making the bread down here in the New York Bagel Factory. Thank you all for being here. And also, guys, one more last piece of big news. Guys, we are already almost at 6,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. So happy to see the community growing like this. And real quick, let me just share my screen. Let me share my screen real fast. Let me share my screen really fast. I did want to pull this up, guys. I was going through the comments as I do when I get a little bit of free time. I like to jump on, get in the comments, and answer as many as I can. But I did see this one. I just wanted to pull it up. I don't know if you guys can see this, so I'm just going to read it real quick. It's from Morgan Mitchell. Shout out to Morgan if you're in the chat. It says, Frankie, as always, great stream. Been a while since I've been able to get on the live, so I've been rewatching in the meantime. Just want to say I've learned something from each and every stream, even managed to make more money than my day job yesterday with the divergences you've touched on in the past. Thank you, and you're the GOAT. Hashtag bing bong, hashtag value. Guys, this is what I like to see. This is the goal of this channel, is to get comments like this and have you guys making money. And if you're making more than you made at your day job, that's even better. So I just wanted to shout out Morgan real quick. I appreciate that comment. I love knowing when you guys are learning and making money off of this channel. It really means a lot to me. It really is what I want this channel to be all about. So thank each and every one of you for being here, and I hope you guys are learning something. I see the bread comments in there. Uncle Jimmy saying the pan de bonos with the little bread emoji. Love that, Uncle Jimmy. Real quick, let me just shout out the chat real quick before we get started here. Who do we got? I'm going to assume we got the usual suspects. We got BJ. I don't think it's the BJ from here. Maybe it is. What's going on, BJ? Chadwick, welcome back. Jimmy Two Shoes, welcome back as always. Ri-Fi, good to see you again. Travis, welcome. Wendell, Mitchell, welcome. Chris Weeks, welcome back, my man. Abel Matthew, Travis, Safar H, Mitch, Crypto AK, Dante, Chaz, Ammo, welcome back. Uncle Jimmy, we just talked to you. Obsession, I think I answered your comment today. What's going on? Welcome back. Bubba's Crypto, as always. Tony D, Captain Kirk, and Tyler Durden, our wonderful mods. Thank you guys for all you do. Blanchard Bees. There we go. I think that's about it. They're flying. The comments are flying. James, welcome back, James. I'm happy to have you here. Jonathan Schaefer. Juan Carlos, welcome back with the candle, thumbs up, strong, coffee, sunglass emojis. Rafi, welcome back. Rafi in the chat, guys. Thank you all for being here. Thank you. Let's go ahead and jump into these charts. Okay, guys. So let's touch on this title, right? I don't like this is not clickbait, right? I do want to have a serious conversation about Bitcoin. Let's take I did talk about this on the morning stream today. Let's just take a look here. Starting off on the weekly, guys. So I know we look at the weekly a lot. We look at the VWAP curving back down, printing that red dot. Guys, this weekly money flow coming down and even curving more aggressively, curving to the downside. Guys, this doesn't look good, guys. As far as, the price for Bitcoin, the weekly is pretty ugly right now. I think we can see some decent downside for Bitcoin coming in the future. So this, again, if you guys do watch the channel, you will know. Let me clear my chart real quick. Whoops, didn't want to do that. Let's go clear drawings. Okay. We did have this bearish reversal candle, the shooting star candle right here. That look at that, guys. This is people say, like, this is TA, guys. I mean, you have these candles, right? Obviously, nothing plays out 100% of the time, but We were looking a little better on this second candle, started off green last week. But we didn't take our eye off of this bearish reversal candle because look at that, it played out, guys. There's a way you can't always predict the market, but right there in that case, this candle predictable was going to happen. You know what I mean? Again, doesn't play out 100% of the time, but we were expecting this to possibly happen. It could have been invalidated, but unfortunately, it was not. So if you guys watch the channel, you'll know that this wasn't that big of a surprise to us. We were hoping for an invalidation and a break to the upside, but that did not happen, unfortunately. So weekly, guys, long story short, it's not looking great. It's not looking great, right? Let's move down to the 3-day, see if we could find any hope. Unfortunately, here we are with the blood diamond right here, guys. This is really got me concerned, right? Last time I said this yesterday. Last time we had one of these blood diamonds, we came down, about 50%. Now, it doesn't mean that this blood diamond is going to play out exactly like that, but these don't pop up that often on the 3-day, and when they do, they play. You know what I'm saying? They play out. Let's take a look. We're going to come back to this blood diamond in a second, but let's keep moving down the time frames here. Let me get rid of this little circle here. And you can also see here, not really a bearish divergence, but you did have this little trigger wave right here. A lot of times when you see this these momentum waves pop up not very high over the 0 line, price tried to come up. It wasn't able to come up really. The sellers came in and now momentum is coming back down. That's also not very good. RSI is coming down. So let's come on over to the daily, right? Money flow still coming further down, right? We could see this. I mean, look at that VWAP, guys. But that VWAP, huh? I mean, that VWAP is nice and curved coming to the upside. So there's our first little piece of, maybe our bullish hopium there. Daily VWAP doesn't look too horrible. Let's come down. Now, the 12-hour, we did get that, that green dot and that VWAP crossover above the 0 line, right? And we did get a little pop ski off of that level. This was also, let me just undo a bunch of stuff here. My chart's going to go nuts. Hang on. I want to get my drawings back real quick. But now, if you guys remember yesterday, we were looking at those fib levels. Let me come back down to the 12-hour. We're back on Heikin-Ashi candles. Now, so we were, this is going to be hard to see. Ignore these fibs. Let me turn off Market Cipher A to get some of this gack out of here. So that 12-hour dot printed, we did come up a little bit, right? We're coming back down now. But with having price coming down to this golden pocket area, we were expecting a little bit of a bounce, right? And then, another little confirmation. We did have that VWAP coming up and printed the green dot on the 12-hour, giving us a little bit of confirmation there that we could see at least a little bit of upside off of that golden pocket. So that's where I entered my little scalp long, caught a little 35% move off of that, or 35% profit, not a 30% move, but it turned out to be 35% profit. And there, I think that is Ben pulling off in the TRX. So I guess I'm going solo with the sauce tonight, guys, but that's okay. I got you guys all right behind me. So, but yeah, so that is right. You have the price coming down to the golden pocket, had the 12-hour green dot, gave us a little confirmation, put in that scalp long, popped up, right? And then if we come down to a lower time frame, just to zoom in so we could see a little better. You say, let me get rid of this. Yeah, and I took my profit, this isn't an exact level, right? But I took my profit right as we were coming up to this resistance. I think I caught it like down here on one of these candles down here to get out because I knew we were coming up to that resistance. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys did hear me say that on the stream last night. If you guys hopped in that trade, let me know in the chat. Speaking of chat, let's jump over there real quick and read some stuff here. All right, let's see. Unfortunately, this is AZTV. Welcome to the stream, AZ. Unfortunately, my HODL BTC average is 38K, and I'm running out of money to average down. No problem. Hey, if we're taking a move to the downside, maybe step out a little bit. You could take a break on putting money in and just save up a little bit. And if we are moving down, you'll have a little time while the price moves down to get back in lower. Let's see. Oh, there you go. He says, any tips, guys? There you go. There's my little tip. How do you enter the giveaway? Michael, Yeah, if you guys don't know, to enter the giveaway, you got to go to the channel, go to the Market Cipher A tutorial video and leave a comment, like it, and you will be entered. I will be taking the comments, all the people who commented, we will be entering all those people into the random name picker. So go to that video, add a comment, take a look at it. There's a lot of really good info in that video. Got a lot of good comments. People were saying they learned a lot. So definitely check it out. Worth a watch. So there you go. That's how you enter the giveaway. Let's see. It's not the money. It's the number of coins that count. Obsession. Yes, that is one of the best pieces of advice I ever got when it came to crypto, right? Because, right, you want to make money, right? We want money. Let's trying to think of a catchphrase here, guys. Can't think of one. I want to say either way you skin the cat or whatever that one is, but that doesn't make sense. But yeah, basically, I totally lost that comment. Where did it go? I lost it, guys. I lost it. How do you enter the giveaway? Bronx Bitcoin polls. Oh, I totally lost that comment. But yeah, sorry, I totally blanked out on that, guys. I got lost in the catchphrase. Let's see. Sorry about that, guy. Totally just blacked out right there. Oh, it's not the money, right? That's the best piece of advice that I've ever gotten in crypto, right? Because we want the money, right? Let's just say it how it is. You want to make money. However, it is the number of coins that count, right? So you want to think of things in terms of coins, right? So if you're looking to invest in Ethereum, right? Your ideal thing you would want to be doing is you want to ride the pumps, right? And you want to pull your profit out on the pumps, wait for the price to dip, and then buy in lower. That way, if you have one Ethereum for easy math, you could sell high and then buy back in lower. Now you have 1.3 Ethereum, and you just keep flipping it until you have 5 Ethereum, and then over time, those coins are raising in value, right? The dollars are not going to raise in value. As a matter of fact, obviously they are going down in value as of right now. So you want to up your coins, and that's what you want to focus on. That was one of the best pieces of advice I ever got in crypto. Guys, 183 people in here. Welcome to the stream, guys. Smash the likes if you want to see me drink some of this sauce. Hopefully my mom's not watching. She'd be very disappointed that I'm drinking jarred sauce. Not the best. This is a sin in the Italian culture here, but it's okay. I got to do it for you guys. I got to do it for you. And we're going to be announcing, hopefully, announcing the NFT giveaway winner, and we're going to be spinning the wheel. If you guys have anything fun you want to put on the wheel, throw it in chat. Mods, if you could copy them and paste them somewhere, and then at the end of the stream, spam them in there so I can fill these blanks in. That would be great. Thank you. So yeah. All right. So Bitcoin. Back to Bitcoin. So let's see. Right. Let me get my regular tool here. So that was how you guys could have caught that little bounce off of the golden pocket and made a little bit of a trade and, got that profit. Now let's just come on over, right? So again, a little bullish, a little more bullish case. We do have that 12-hour VWAP crossing over the 0 line, kind of flattening out here, guys. As you can see, let me zoom in, kind of starting to flatten out. Not the best. We are in the green, so that's good. Curving up on the money flow, so that is decently hopeful. But we're hanging on by a thread here, guys, right? We lost this spider line, right? We're coming back up to test this spider line. If you don't know, the spider lines are these dashed yellow diagonal lines of support and resistance. That's all they are, just lines of support and resistance coming up. If you want to know how to draw these on your chart, check out our spider lines video. But we are getting testing this as resistance right now. Let's come down to a lower time frame. Excuse me. Yeah. So we got rejected, off of this resistance line. Tried to come up and fight back over this spider line, got rejected, and now we're coming down. However, coming back up to let's come back to the 4-hour. So this is where I'm looking, guys. Right? If we lose this golden pocket, which is possible. I am hoping, let me get rid of this random little trend line here. Looking at about 30 in the mid 35,000s for a little bit of support. As you can see, acted as resistance right here as support. So we do have a little bit of support there, hoping we can hold that and bounce off. If not, guys, we're probably coming down to test this spider line. And this spider line is about, this one's coming in, depending on how long we take to get there. It's about 34,300, 30,000, I'd say 34.5, 34.3, something like that, in the 34,000s, right? So there is a chance, right? Especially with that 3-day blood diamond. I did take market cipher A off. Let me turn it back on so you guys can see. This blood diamond can easily bring us down to that line. Now, if let's talk hypotheticals here. If we do see this blood diamond play out like this blood diamond and come down about 50%, I think it was actually a little more. Let's measure it from, let's just go wick to wick here. At the very bottom, like 52%, guys. Now, this is kind of the scary thing here. If you measure this blood diamond all the way down to about 50%, right about there, guys, it's coming in at about $20,000, which is basically where I would be expecting the bottom to be if we went into a full-blown bear market, right? I would expect us to go down and test the last cycle's all-time high, which was about $20,000. So coincidentally, if this brings us down 50%, it brings us right down to that $20,000 mark, which is, I mean, hey, maybe it's a coincidence. It would make a lot of sense. And if we are still on a 4-year cycle, right? Could it be broken? Possibly. But if we are still on a 4-year cycle and this blood diamond brings us down to 20K, this bear market is, the 4-year cycle is still basically intact. And, it could have been, a predictable cycle, right? But we just didn't see the high prices that we were looking for, which also makes sense as the market's maturing. We talk about this a decent amount on the channel as the market matures, right? Meaning the older the market is, the more it matures, the less volatility you get, the less parabolic the spikes, the pumps up, and the less severe the corrections. So it would make sense that we didn't come up as parabolically, like everyone's expecting that blow off top. And, it would make a lot of sense if we go into the bear market. So it does kind of play into that. But, it doesn't mean that we can't come up, right? I do think we could come down, right? I was just mentioning about this spider line down here. If we break that, I do think that there is a lot of people think that the bottom for this cycle could be 29K, which is near this blue line of support right here, where we dipped down to during the little mini bear market in May through the summer. So we could come back down there. I've been saying this on the channel. We have not come down to test this level again. It could be possible that we come down to test this level one last time. People accumulate, the institutions come back in for that juicy, that cheap $29,000 Bitcoin, and that launches us back up. And then, we start to see a new all-time high. But, another reason why I am a little bearish right now, coming back to the weekly, Ben was mentioning this on the stream this morning, on the BitBoy Crypto live stream. He wanted me to compare, what the charts are looking like now compared to the last bear market, right? And so as far as market cipher B, right, you came up, right, our bull market, we were in the green, and then we came up in the green for the giant, massive bull market, right? Now we're coming down, almost about to cross the zero line down into the red. Guys, it's looking very, very similar to 2017, right? We peaked out. As soon as we peaked out, we started coming down, right? And then, we came into the red as we hit the very, very pits of the bear market in last cycle. So this is, it doesn't mean that history is 100% going to repeat itself, but it could, right? So these are things that are making me feel a little bearish right now. I am leaning a little bearish. Things can change, right? Every day we wake up, there's new information, there's new news, right? We also have these worldly events that are going on. We are having like the thing with Russia going on. I don't want to get too far into it. You got a lot of stuff going on with the Fed. Regulation. We have all this stuff happening right now that could affect the price as well. If something crazy goes on with Russia and Ukraine, I mean, how the market's going to react, it could be bad. So you just wanna, I don't want to come on here and just tell you guys it's all going to be, daisies and dandelions all day long, butterflies and roses and butterflies. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because, guys, if we're going into the bear market, we're riding that dump just like we ride the pumps, and we're making money either way. I know you guys know this. I know you watch the stream. I know you guys know this. So you're not scared of the bear market. We're not scared of the bear market. But I'm not saying the bear market's here. I'm not ready to call the bear market just yet. We got to wait a little bit. I'm not ready to throw in the towel, but I do just want to point out those bearish things, guys. This weekly is not looking too hot, right? Not impossible that we curve up, but also not looking promising at all. I mean, the curvature on this money flow is looking like it wants to come down. And the fact that it's mimicking what happened in 2017, also not very positive, right? Also, just one more thing on Bitcoin here. Again, right? Coming down to 2017. Let's take a look at, let me just take off Market Cipher B, and let's come on over to the 2017 bull run, which is right here, right? Topped out at about 20K. And so I just want to point this out, right? If you pull a fib, let's pull a fib here, boom, down to this low right here, right? We came down, right? We had a big drop. Let me come down to a little bit of a, we don't want to look at the 1 hour. Let's look at the 12 hour. Okay. So where are we? Are we still in 2017? No, we're back in 2021. Oh no. All right. So we're going to scroll back and we're going to come back down to 2017, right? We had Blockchain Backer on the morning stream on Ben's BitBoy Crypto's morning show. And I think that's where we saw this. He was talking about, in these past bull markets, right? We came down, right? We came down, and then we had a rally up to this 786 fib level, right? Funny enough, if you keep coming back in time, right, all the way to the 2013, 2014 bull run, right? Let's stretch it out a little bit here. Same thing. Look at this. You pull the fib, right? Little double top here, came down, corrected back up to the 786 fib level, right? So what does this mean for this cycle? Now, if we let's pull a fib from this top, right? Let's pull a fib from here. This is rough, guys. I got it's very zoomed out. I'm on a laptop right now, so I can't, it's not very big, the chart. But yeah, we didn't come anywhere near this 786 level. It doesn't mean that we have to come up to that 786 level, but it repeats on almost, in the past 2 cycles, we didn't come anywhere close, right? So there is a chance, right? If we do see a more bullish case play out, like we've been saying, we think the relief rally could have brought us up to about 48 to 52K. And then this 786 level is about 61. I know there's a lot of people out there calling for about 60K, so it would make sense, right? But we haven't seen that yet. So I think there might be a chance that we do come up and test this level. But right now it's looking pretty dang bearish, guys. Looking pretty darn bearish. 224 people in the chat, guys. Welcome. Smash the like button if you want to spin the wheel of pain or pleasure. And smash the like button if you want to see this bearish sentiment turn to a bullish sentiment. I mean, we don't mind because we're making money either way, but come on. We'd rather have our long-term bags appreciating while we're trading and making money on the pumps. So definitely smash that like button. If you want to see some fun at the end of the stream. We're going to be drinking the sauce, guys. I'm giving you the sauce. I'm so dedicated to the sauce that I'm just going to drink it right here on camera. Guys, today's energy is brought to you by just classic black coffee, right? And oh yeah, that's good. And a little bit of, what do we got here? Grapefruit bubbly. A little ASMR for you guys. I already cracked it halfway, so you're not going to hear the tss. Here, I'll fake it. I'll fake it for you guys. There you go. Nice little bubbly for you. Little bubbly. Keep it bubbly tonight. Okay. Not really a big fan of the grapefruit, but hey, gotta stay hydrated, right? All right, let's check chat real quick. Bear market has been here, just my opinion. Hey, Chaz, could be possible. They say, you don't know you're in a bear market until you're at the bottom, right? It's not until you look back and go, oh, we were in the bear market. We all thought we were bullish. So it's usually not until you're at the deep pits of the bear market that you realize. So hey, Chaz, definitely possible. Some shorts going to get liquidated. JB, hey, if shorts are getting liquidated, that means that we could be pumping. So I wouldn't be hating on that. On the plus side, it's hard to imagine worse news. This is pretty solid bottom to buy from. Yeah, Chadwick, I mean, it's cheap. Even if we do come down, we still are, prices are pretty cheap right now. And hey, I want to be clear. I'm not saying we are definitely going down to 34K. I do think it's probable, but Doesn't mean tomorrow we can wake up and we can see things flip and we can pump. You know what I'm saying? Bitcoin does weird things. Bitcoin always surprises us. So I just want to make sure you guys are, if you're longing, right? I was in a long earlier and or yesterday, and it's a scalp long, right? I'm not looking for big moves right now. I'm being very careful with my longs because we are in a very fragile market. Perfect. Thomas says, perfect. We have to have our dollars ready to buy. I would love for it to come down. Let's change our life. Yeah, that's right, guys. Money is made in the bull market. Generational wealth is made in the bear market. Just remember that. If we go into a bear market, you got to look at the bright side, right? I'm not saying we're in a bear market. I'm just saying if we do go down into the bear market, don't be scared. If you're going into the bear market, you are approaching the biggest opportunity that you will possibly ever have in your life financially. So just know that. Just know that. Imagine finding, Solana at $5. Imagine finding Ethereum at $200, $100. So just remember that. Just remember that. Let's see. Rafi says, The Rock says, it doesn't matter if the market dips. Absolutely. Let's go. Rock. I can't do his face. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do that. Let's see. Obsession says, at these prices, how can you still lose in the long run? Yeah, that's right. I mean, I'm not saying you should buy everything right now, but if you bought everything right now and we come down another 50% in the next bull market, you're going to be way in profit. You're going to be, even if you bought at the top in this market, chances are in the next bull market, you're going to be way in profit, even if you bought at 69K. So just remember that, guys. Time in the market, not timing the market. Someone said that yesterday in chat. Very, very, very good advice. Let's see. Mr. Aleo, I gotta give you my phone number so you could call me and let me know how to say your name. We'll call you Mr. A. He says, or she says, I guess it's Mr. CandleMafia all day. Let's go. Bear market has been here, just my opinion. Yeah, Chaz, we read that. Of course, it totally could be possible. Let's see. Tony D, one of our mods, says, mandatory rule, if we all get rich in the future through Frank's knowledge, we all have to get a hashtag CandleMafia label on our yachts. Absolutely. We'll have CandleMafia 1. Or no, you could be CandleMafia OG 1, CandleMafia OG 2. And then, and I'll just have the Mafia compound where we all come together and we'll all just be trading on our yachts. That would be amazing. Little Bird says, okay, guys, I can keep Wi-Fi going. This is just crazy. At Tyler Durden, Bubba, I will get with you when the craziness stops. Y'all have a great night. Okay. Little Bird, we'll see you soon. We always love seeing you in here, Little Bird. Let's see. Shay says, hopefully Bitcoin hits 20K in the next 6 to 12 months. Like Gareth Soloway says, we like Gareth Soloway over here. He's a friend of the channel. Also great TA. Then alt will be dirt cheap. I'll be on AVAX and Solana whale. Yeah, Shay, I hope so. And yeah, 20K, that's basically where I'm looking for if we are going to continue downward. I do think that if we break 29K, I know a lot of people think there is solid support at 29K, but I would be expecting to probably be coming down to test the last all-time high in the last cycle, which is 20K. So yeah, I agree with that. Let's see. I just joined and I'm gonna leave. All right, I don't know how to read your name, but you have yourself a good night. Thanks for stopping by just for the short period of time. Let's see. Coming down. Frankie, lost it. Frankie, do you watch NASCAR? Not really. I just went to my first F1 race a few months ago with Brian from Meta Money. Now, that was very, very cool. We had a really cool experience there. There's actually a video on Hit Network. If you guys are not following Hit Network, go check them out. A lot of behind the scenes videos of what we do here at Hit Network and BitBoy Crypto. Really cool stuff. Our little F1 experience is in there. Very, very, very cool experience. Very cool. Very loud. Very, very loud. Matt T says, you think Shiba Inu going anywhere? Matt, I don't invest in Shiba. I invest in coins that have actual use cases. That's not to say that you can't make a ton of money with Shiba. I want to be clear. You can make a ton of money. If I bought Shiba, when it was, before it ripped, I would have made a ton of money. I'm not saying you can't make money. I just typically, when I invest long-term in stuff, I like to have projects that, have good use case that are going to be around in 5 or 10 years. Let's see. Where's this NFT giveaway? Bradley, welcome to the stream. NFT giveaway, in order to enter, you got to go to the Market Cypher A video on the channel, leave a comment, and then we will be picking the winner, hopefully at the end of this stream. It is looking like most people have not entered yet. So guys, if you haven't entered, definitely go leave a comment on the Market Cypher A video so you can enter in to win this NFT. And on that, here it is, guys. It's you can see it says sell NFT here. It is purchased. We got it. We got the Yoshi one. We actually saw this, right? And we are a family-friendly channel, so we do have it blurred out here. We don't want to be showing any of that stuff. So these are pretty cool. They're like dog donuts. I guess this is like a Yoshi dog donut. I don't even really know what's going on. You got the Atari mug here. Very, very cool NFT. I'm actually a big fan of this. Kind of wish I could keep it, but I got to give it to you guys, but I'm happy to do so. So yeah, definitely go leave a comment on that video if you want to get this NFT. I believe I bought it. It was about 50 ADA, right? Could go up. So hopefully you can hold on to it. It could appreciate in value and you could sell it for a profit. If not, you get a free $50 NFT. So that's pretty cool. All right. So let's see here. Hey, Adil Hussein, thank you for coming in from the UK. Coming in super late. Let's go. Late night stream for you. So Shiba is a dead one. Got to sell it all. Not saying it's dead. I'm not saying it's dead. It could come back. Who knows? Doge doesn't really have much use case. But that comes back. That's been in the top, top coins for a while. I'm not saying it's dead. Let's see. It would be cool if we all went on a sporting event for a meetup. That would be very cool. All right. So guys, all right. So let's jump in here and let's take a look at Ethereum, right? That's the other thing everybody wants to know. What about ETH? What about ETH, right? Looks very similar to Bitcoin, as it always does. A lot of alts, right? Going to be, somebody pointed out to me this morning, someone here at the office, they said, did you see the ascending triangle on ETH? And I was like, not really. It's on the weekly. It is in somewhat of an ascending triangle. I mean, this isn't really giving me much hope, to be honest. I mean, if Bitcoin dumps, we're not even going to get this started. You know what I'm saying? We're just going to fall right out. But let's come down to the 3-day, right? Pull up market cipher B. Let's see here. Let's come down to the 2-day. Now, here you go. Blood diamond on the 2-day. Now, I don't think on this chart we've ever printed a blood diamond before. On some of them we have. It does bring you down about 50% on ETH as well, right? So let's see if that plays out. If this brings us down 50%, where does that bring us? Guys, weirdly enough, 50% down brings us to about 1,500. I think 1,400 and something was the last all-time high for ETH in the last cycle. So it would make sense if we came down another 50% to be in the bear market, as I would expect ETH to test the last all-time high, maybe between 1,500 and 1,200 in that range. I think we maybe play around in testing that last all-time high. So, I mean, hey, it would make sense. So definitely looking bearish with that blood diamond here, in the red on the 2-day for the money flow. Let's look at the daily, right? Money flow coming down. So looking kind of similar to Bitcoin, right? The puzzle pieces are kind of fitting together here. Not saying it's the bear market or definitely going to be the bear market, but definitely worth looking at, Okay, so let's come down to a little bit of the lower time frames. Look at the 15-minute, right? Because let's see here. Let me, boom. Okay. So here's actually, I just wanted to, I think it was on the 10-minute I was looking at this. Let me take a look. Where was it? Was it the 15-minute, 24-minute? No, this is just this is not an actual trade that I'm in. I just wanted to put this here. I was in the middle of trying to get that NFT and answering YouTube comments. I saw this happening. I just wanted to test it. So I just threw in a little fake short here to see what happened. It is playing out almost halfway through the profit target here for 4% profit. So, yeah, that's what that random box is, if you're wondering. But yeah, just looking, guys, I'm hoping I'm dying to find a setup live here so we can enter a trade live. I can't wait till this happens. Or I'm actually, unfortunately, the trade that I was in off that golden pocket happened last night. I got out this morning. So it's like I'm waiting for it to come, during the stream so I can pop up one day soon, very soon, hopefully this week. The stream will start on my screen with the profit and loss there in that live trade. Let's go ahead and check the chat. 236 people in here right now, live concurrent viewers. Thank you guys for being here. 144 likes. Let's run it up, guys. 250 likes is the like goal for today. Yesterday, we almost got 300. I think we actually might have nailed 300. So let's get it back up there again. 250 for the wheel spins. Every 100 likes we get, you get a wheel spin. There's giveaways, some blank ones on here. We got to fill them in, but just fun challenges and stuff to do at the end of the stream. Keeps it a little spicy, keeps it fun. We like to have fun on this channel as well as learn how to make money. All right, let's see here. Reading chat. Bada-boom. commented on it. Thanks. Hey, Bradley, no problem. That was fast. Benjamin Callan loves ETH, anticipates a few months of consolidation before another price eruption. Chadwick, I hope so. I have a lot of ETH. ETH is one of my bigger holdings. Let's see here. What is the weirdest coin you heard of? Probably one of these weird meme coins like Doge, Elon, Ferrari, Musk, Inu, or whatever, Floki, baby, infant, 3-month-old Inu, dog coin, whatever it is. Yeah, these meme coins are crazy. Santa coin, very, very weird meme coins. Pearls, Candle Clan. Pearls in the chat. What's going on, man? Pearls has been picketing for Candle Clan to be the name of us, but I think we landed on Candle Crew or CandleMafia. It's kind of split down the middle, so we'll see. I'm really digging CandleMafia. TJ said he liked CandleMafia too, so Jimmy Two Shoes, bada bing bang, I'm out. Forget about it. Sauce Boss, Frankie Candles, let's go. We could take a look at Polygon, Paul. Let's see. What's up, my fellow cryptocurrency folks? Joshua, welcome to the stream. Winter is almost over and would make sense for bears to be making their appearance. Hey, possible. Travis, yes, very possible. Zach says, could the blood diamond just be pushing Bitcoin back to the trend line for a bounce? Back down to that spider line, if that's what you're talking about. Now, let me bring these spider lines back up. Now, yeah, could we get pushed down here and get a bounce off of that spider line? Possibly, but if we do break below like 35K, I mean, I'm losing hope very, very strongly at that point. What is this? Yeah, okay. Oh, this is the 15-minute. Okay, I got nervous, guys. I got nervous with these yellow X's, but this could, we could be coming down a little more with these yellow X's here, representing manipulation. If you guys have not watched that Market Cypher A video, maybe go get a little refresher course on Market Cypher A and leave that comment for the NFT giveaway. But yeah, I mean, is it possible that we bounce off the spider line? Yeah, but if we're coming down to about 34K, I wouldn't be having much hope that we're coming back up. Definitely possible though. But yeah, I mean, if we break this, if we break 35K, I mean, that's pretty dang bearish. If we do break, let's see, where does 30K bring us percent wise off of that 3-day blood diamond? Let me resize here. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so if we do come down to 34K off of this blood diamond, let's just measure it out from here, roughly 34K. I mean, let's say 34. Let's say we come to 34. It's really hard. 34.5. Okay, just because I was there. It's about 34.5. Very, very hard to move the mouse. This zoomed out. Sorry, guys. Yeah, about 17%. I don't know if that's enough for that blood diamond. I think it's going to want a little more of a dump down. Not impossible to bounce, but again, like 29 too, right? Maybe we come down and test this lower area here for a bounce up. So not impossible that we could just come down, even if we come down to 29K for a bounce up. Maybe that's where we see a relief rally to the 786 level. But yeah, we're going to have to wait and see. Now, if we do come down to that line off of this blood diamond, yeah, that's about 30%. That might make a little more sense for the blood diamond for us to bounce back up. Not impossible. Not impossible. All right, let's see. Boom. Oh, God. Chat just escaped me there. Driving 300 miles from Scotland to watch your while watching your stream, I guess, is with Crypto Mac. Enjoy your drive to Scotland. And I hope you're enjoying the smooth sound of my voice as I tell you all this great news about Bitcoin. I'm kidding. It really is good news because it doesn't matter. As long as there's a big move incoming, we're going to make money. Hi. All right, let's see. Hi, you call me NASA. Okay, so welcome to the stream, NASA. Please answer my question. Do you advise me to wait now or dollar cost average? I would say I would be careful. I would be careful buying right now. We could be in for a big move we could be in for a big move very soon. If you do want to buy and you don't want to, if you think we're going up from here and you don't think we're going to go any lower, I would just caution you to not put your whole bag in. I would, just like you said, dollar cost average, I would put a little bit of your bag in, see if we move down, then maybe put a little more in. But just be careful because you don't want to wind up buying the dips all the way to the bottom of the bear market, which, I mean, hey, you're getting at lower prices every day, every time you buy, so it's not that bad. that, but it would be better to just wait for us to bottom out before you buy in, because you'll have more buying power because everything will be cheaper. But yeah, if you're gonna buy in now, I mean, I would just wouldn't put the whole farm on it yet. Pearls says, I smell bears. Yeah, I smell them too. They're definitely coming out of hibernation. Someone said that makes sense. It definitely does. In my opinion, I believe that Putin is going to pump up cryptocurrency, folks. Hey, Joshua, I hope so. Market Cypher A video equals extra sauce. Thanks, Frankie. Bubba's Crypto, anytime. I do it for you guys. Let's see. Oh, gosh. Chat jumping everywhere. Ellie0, what is going on? Welcome to the stream. They say, Frankie. What's going on, Ellie? Let's see. Thanks for all you do. Barely ever get to see any of the Bit Squad live, but just know my friends and I love and support you guys. Hey, Peter Powell. Give it up for Peter Powell. Thank you. We appreciate you. And if you had a stream, I would watch. Thank you for being here. Pearl says ASMR. Maybe we'll get into some ASMR here. Smooth sounds of crypto jazz. Yes. CandleMafia worldwide. Smash the likes. Wendell Mitchell, thank you for that. All right, let's see. I believe BTC might drop to 35K, then go back up to 37, then drop to 33, then go back to 35, then drop to 30, then moon. Hey, maybe, possibly, definitely possible. Frankie, what's your thoughts for the next 3 months for altcoins? I would have to say, if I had to pick, like it was a life or death situation, I had to pick right now, and it was life or death, I would say I'm feeling bearish for the next 3 months. Doesn't mean it's definitely going to be bearish. That's just how I'm leaning right now, looking at the charts. Weekly does not look good. All right, let's see. Should I buy money in stable coins? I mean, hey, if you want to swap out your dollars for stable coins, sure, and have them ready on the exchange, ready for these prices to drop, and scoop up that cheap crypto with your USDT or USDC or whatever stable coin you're using. How much do you pay for Market Cypher A? You could get Market Cypher, I believe, at the BitBoy Crypto's deal page on the website. There is a discount code if you use that link. But I think it's normally it's $600 for a year and then $1,500 for a lifetime. I think that is the prices. Don't quote me. Definitely go check out the website, though. I think that's it, though. Let's see. Market Cypher is $1,500. Yeah, there you go. What's up, crew? Good to be back on. Jonas, welcome back. Love the teaching videos. Thanks. Hey, Chad J5. Anytime. I love making them. And I love to hear that you guys are learning. He's right. Thank you for being here to explain it and also entertain us. Matt T, I'm glad are you not edutained? I try to educate. I try to entertain. Hopefully we're doing a good job over here. I appreciate that, Matt. Arturo, thank you for being here. Welcome back. EMS, good to see you as always. Welcome back to the stream. What are your thoughts on using bots? I've said this before in the past. I've never personally used trading bots, but J-Chains or Justin from MetaMoney, he's used the KuCoin trading bot, and he said it's worked out well for him in the past. So I can't personally attest for it, but I do trust Justin. He said he had a good experience, so I guess they're pretty decent. My wife smacked me by drinking coffee like that. Crypto Mac, I see you. All right, let's see. Third time's a charm. Sand 4-hour chart, please. I opened a short earlier today. Captain Kirk, I'm sorry if I missed those 3 comments. Let's see. Sand 4-hour chart. Let's check. You're right. Third time is a charm, I guess. Let's see. Boom. Okay. Let's take a look here. 4-hour. So what did you say? Sand 4-hour chart, please. I opened a short earlier today. Okay, I don't know where you opened the short, but I will say this. If you entered your short based off of this little tiny trigger wave right here with the red dot, I will say bravo, Captain Kirk. Everybody give it up for Captain Kirk. I don't know if you did happen to enter there, say you got in on that candle and you're, I don't know if you're up or down, but if you did enter there, you'd be up around 7%. I don't know what leverage you're using. So yeah, just I don't know where you got in. Are you in profit? But you are coming up to support right there at about 296. You are coming to support. So if you are in profit, maybe take a little bit of profit off the table as you might see a bounce, as we actually are seeing if you come down to a lower time frame. You do have yellow X's on the 15 minutes, so maybe this breaks you through that support. But if you're in profit, never hurts to take a little bit off the table. Maybe take your initial investment with a little bit of profit and let the rest ride out. So yeah, hope that helps you out, Captain. Shout out to Chico Perez, young boy, never sell low again. I feel like young boy might have learned a lesson, as many of us do through experience. Never sell low again. I love that name, young boy. Let's see. Hey Frankie, how you doing? I've just gal along from 22 cents. Take profit is 25. Liquidation. Any suggestions? I'm a little lost. 20 liquidation is 8 cents. Wow, if your liquidation is 8 cents, you're probably not going to get anywhere near liquidation anytime soon. From 22 cents, profit is at 25 cents. I guess that means. Let's take a look at Gala. I know a lot of you guys like Gala. All right, let's see. So I think you said you went long. Let's see. Yeah, you went long from 22 cents. Yeah, so yeah, you're definitely in the red, I assume, if I am reading that right. But I mean, is your liquidation at 8 cents? I don't know what leverage you're using, but yeah, I mean, you should be pretty good. You should be pretty safe on liquidation. But you know, if Bitcoin does wind up going down to 34, you could almost bet that Gala will see more downside. So just keep that in mind. I don't think you're going to see 8 cents at least anytime in the very, very short near future. So I hope that helps you. Who's Ajmal? I don't know how to say your name. I'm sorry. Chico Crypto is going crazy today, bearish. Yeah, I think a lot of people are feeling bearish. The charts are not looking great. What's up from Flint? Kenny Mac, welcome to the stream. That's my radio voice, guys. Welcome back to the stream. Or maybe my nerd voice. All right, let's see. Nice work, Kirk. Let's go. Hey, Frankie, can you give your thoughts on the inverse head and shoulders forming on Matic chart? We could take a look at that daily Datsuns. We could take a look at that. All right, let's see. Oh God, my chat keeps jumping and I keep losing where I am. Any helium miners here? That's what Kenny Max says. I actually know a couple people mining helium. Hey, what do you think of Bitfarms? It's a stock. I got quite a bit of those. I'm actually not very familiar with those, Matt. I don't want to give any bad information. My XRP DCA is around 97 cents. It's okay. If they win the lawsuit, you should be in profit after that, I would hope. It's okay. It's okay. Can you show XRP? Yes, let's look at XRP. I know you guys love XRP. Coming in at 69 cents. Looking at the 15-minute, let's go ahead and let's start on the daily, right? Obviously looking very similar to Bitcoin. Market size for B is going to look almost the same. But yeah, coming down, maybe we come back down to this support here. Yeah, right now we're finding a little bit of support at this, let's put our regular candles on so we can see what the actual price is at about 70 cents, right? Maybe a little bit of psychological support there. But maybe we are going to come down. If Bitcoin keeps going down, we could see this 60-cent level come back down here. Depending on how the market is looking, I mean, this was a really good time to buy before this rip. But maybe we come back down to this is pretty strong support down here. We wicked down there, held it a bunch of times right there, rejected, tried to hold here, had support back here, and then resistance. I mean, this is pretty strong support at about 60 cents. So depending on how bloody the market's looking then, we'll touch back on XRP to see if this might be a good buying opportunity. But if we're plunging into the bear market, you're going to want to hold out. But we'll have to see when we get there. All right. Do I think it'll hit 34K today or within 24 hours? Ammo, welcome back to the stream. Always love having you here. He's obviously talking about Bitcoin. I mean, not impossible, right? Sometimes, let's look at some of these crazy daily candles. Sometimes we wick down like crazy, you get a lot of liquidations, and you have these crazy long liquidations and these, we've gone 21% in a day. From the price right now, let's see. Let me clear this chart so it doesn't look like an absolute mess. Let me get rid of everything. Okay. From the current price right now down to 34K, I mean, it's only 34 even about, we'll call it right there, about 8%. So, I mean, not impossible. We'll have to see how it plays out. Definitely possible. But there's nothing specifically making me think that it's going to hit it in the next 24 hours, but definitely possible. Frankie, can you do a divergence tutorial, please? Bull and bearish divergence. Thank you. A deal. Yes. Yeah, I think that's probably going to be one of the next videos coming out, just because I know you guys love the divergences. It's kind of what most of you have been making your money with, right? The people, the bunch of people that we do have in chat saying they're making money off of what we're learning here. I know a lot of them are either off of Fibonacci stuff or divergence stuff, or maybe other stuff as well. But I do know you guys love the divergences, so I do think it's gonna be one of the next videos coming out. Maybe not the next one, but it is. You know, it's I gotta write it. But it is going to be one of the next videos coming out very soon, because I think that's easy for people to identify on the chart, because we do go over it a lot. I point them out when I see them. So I think it is really, really helpful for you guys. So I was already thinking about doing one of those very, very soon. So yes, short answer, yes. Frankie, I need to find a way to make my money I lost. I'm negative 2,500 now, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I can't seem to get into profit. Arturo, it's okay. First off, it's okay. You got to learn, right? Don't let this scare you away from crypto or scare you away from trading. You have to learn through experience sometimes. So that's number one. And number two, I don't know, is this off leverage trading? Is this just your investments are down a lot? It has a lot to, if it's just your investments, just your spot trades, your long-term bags that are down that much, it could be for a lot of reasons. You might not be investing in the right project. You might be buying at the wrong time, which if you're a beginner is very, very normal. So don't worry about that. You could fix that very easily. But yeah, I'm not sure if you're using leverage or not. Try to throw another comment in there. If I see it, I'll elaborate. Do you own any Baby Monkey Elon Poodle Funky Mars Moon token? Dude, bro, I actually have a huge bag of Baby Monkey Elon Poodle Funky Mars Moon token. I have a big bag of that, and it's at 0. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, these meme coins do get crazy. I like it. That might be my favorite meme coin name. Guys, 226 people in here. Thank you so much for being here. Smash the like button. Go watch that Market Cypher A video and leave a comment if you want to enter the NFT giveaway. We're going to try. I would like to try and announce the winner today. It is looking like, according to this poll, that most of you, only 23% of you, are in. Maybe we'll wait until tomorrow to announce it, unless everybody goes and leaves a comment real quick now and then comes back and changes the poll. But I don't know if that's going to happen. So maybe I let the video stay up there for another day, let other people get in. But we're ready. We got the name picker. The NFT is right here in my wallet. That's actually the YouTube comment picker. But yeah, I got the NFT in the wallet, ready to go to be sent to one of your addresses. In order to receive it, you are going to have to download Nami Wallet, which is a Cardano-based ecosystem, so you can receive it. It's a Cardano NFT. So yeah. We do have it. We're ready to go, ready to pick. I was ready to pick the winner today, but I don't want anybody to get ripped off or feel like they missed their chance. So definitely, if you haven't, after this video, go watch that video, leave a comment, and like it, and we will be picking the winner tomorrow, probably. Frankie, how much downside does ETH look to have coming? I have 1.1 ETH and looking to sell to strengthen my position. I think if Bitcoin does decide to, if we are going into a bear market, I think we would retest, somewhere near the last all-time high for ETH, which would be between, about 1,400. Maybe I would say between 15 and 1,200. Maybe we go down in that range, depending on how low we wick down. But we have to see what's going on, right? We're in a really weird market. We got a lot of worldly factors going on. We got Russia, we got the Fed, we got everything crazy going on right now. So yeah, I do think if we do continue to go down and we see big drops for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin revisits that 20K mark, I think ETH would be falling near its last all-time high around 1,400, or in a small range down there. Let's go. Joshua says he got in early on Sheeb. Hey, congratulations. I hope you took profits. If you did, congratulations. Thank you for your answer, Frankie. Hashtag bing bong, hashtag value ammo anytime. I got you, man. All right, let's see. I changed my vote on the poll. I'm in it to win it, Frankie. Rafi, let's go, guys. If you guys go, get into the giveaway and you come back and change your poll and we end the stream where most people are in, then we'll call the winner tonight. All right, let's see. Ada Gang. Speaking of Ada Gang, let's take a little look here. Let me give you guys a little seltzer ASMR. I don't know if you can hear those bubbles popping. Oh, God, it went down the wrong pipe, guys. I'm sorry. I'm a little parched, guys. I'm parched. Got my coffee over here. I can't even drink it. I'm so thirsty. Okay, excuse me. All right, here we go. All right, looking at Cardano, guys. Cardano is, coming in at 89 cents. We lost our, we were looking at our dollar mark, right? We are on the daily here, right? Look at this. I mean, we were, we wicked past it, but I mean, we respected a dollar pretty strong, right? That psychological level of support. We came out and now we have broken down past that psychological support. Not too good for Cardano. Did find a little support right here at about 80 cents. We are getting a little bounce there. So that is good. Excuse me. This bubbly is bubbly, guys. But yeah, we are in the red with the money flow on the daily. I do, let's come down to the 3-day. Yeah, look at that, guys. Yellow X. We talk about these all the time. Talk about it all the time. Look at this yellow X. Boom. I mean, this is obviously a while ago, but just to show you, I mean, there you go. Yellow X coming down about, almost a little less than 29%. These yellow X's play. These yellow X's play. One of my favorite indicators on Market Cypher A. If you want to learn how to read Market Cypher A, go check out that video. Enter the NFT giveaway. Come back, change your vote, and win the NFT. But yeah, so yeah, we did wick down, to about 80 cents and found a little bit of support. I do think, we could come down quite a bit more. What is this? Yeah, this is about 60 cents or 66, 65 cents. That could be in the cards for Cardano, right? Horrifically underperformed this cycle if we are done with the cycle. I know a lot of people are upset. Not hating on Cardano at all. I like Cardano. Giving away a Cardano NFT, for God's sakes. But I do believe in Cardano. I think it's one of the best projects out there. Just price action wise, did not perform as we all wanted it to. But I did buy Cardano when it was, I think, like for the first time at like 10 cents or something like that. So I got in a little early. But yeah, I do think if we do break this, I mean, we could be coming down to that into the 60s there, 60 cent area. So yeah, I hope that helps you. All right, let's see. The best traders learn in bear markets, in my opinion. Dude, bro, hey, yeah, I mean, and especially if you could trade, short going down, that's like the best time to learn, right? If you had 8K in Bitcoin and ETH, would you keep it in or take that out and wait to buy more down? Okay, so that's gonna be really heavily dependent on when you got into ETH, right? So I bought my ETH really early. So, I'm still holding basically almost, not all of it, but most of my ETH. I am still holding a big bag of it just because I'm still in deep profits, right? So I'm not in the red yet. So I can pull out right now and make money. But if you're in the red and you don't need that money to like pay your rent or in an emergency, I would say hold it. You don't want to sell in the red unless you really, really need that money. Just understand you only lose the money if you sell, right? You might be down, but the price can go back up and you can make your money back plus some. So just maybe don't, I just don't sell in the red. If you don't need the money, if you're investing correctly and you're investing money that you don't need, right? And you're willing to either sit on for a long time or just lose, I would just hold it. Just hold it. That would be my advice. But not financial advice. This is just my life advice. But no, really not financial advice, guys. You got to do what feels right to you. But my recommendation would be just a general rule is you never want to sell in the red, right? You want to buy red and you want to sell green. When everybody's going, oh my God, it's ripping, it's gonna go to this price. Oh my God, it's gonna hit this target. Like it's usually the time when you hear normal people, right? Like when your barber's telling you that they're getting into crypto, it's probably time to sell, right? When people are telling you like, oh, you're investing in crypto, I heard that's a scam. That's when you want to buy, right? When you hear all the normal people, by normal I mean just people who are not crypto guys or crypto girls. That's, when you hear those people start talking about crypto and giving you coins you should buy, that is a top signal. If I bought and sold crypto based on people telling me it's a scam or having random, the taxi driver telling me that I should buy this NFT or this coin, that's how you time the market, in my opinion. That's the best time. That's the best way to predict these pumps and dumps. Guys, thank you for being here. 212 concurrent viewers, guys. We're getting more and more viewers every day. I appreciate that. Smash the like so we could spin the silent wheel of pain and pleasure. Which is also a little unbalanced. So sometimes it lands on the same thing, but we work through it. Loves that yellow spot. We're going to get that fixed. Don't worry. Maybe we'll get an updated wheel. All right, let's see. Changed my handle just so you could pronounce it, Frankie. Oh, let's go. Joshua Franks. Let's go. I love that. If that's your last name, that's a great last name. Just wanted to tell you that, Joshua. All right, let's see. I love that. Changed my handle just so I can read it. I love that. Let's see. Same here in the giveaway. Ammo, let's go. Let's go. All right. How change poll? I'll be honest with you, I'm not 100% sure. I assume maybe you just click where you voted and then, or maybe just click the other one. I'm not 100% sure. But people are, I don't know if you can change your vote. I don't know. You guys are gonna have to fiddle around with that. I'm not 100% sure. If you can't change your vote, maybe we'll just take a poll at the end of the stream, and if I see more yeses than nos, an overwhelmingly amount of yeses than nos, or maybe we'll just give it another day. We'll see what happens. But maybe if you can change your vote, that would help me know. Can you give your opinion on XLM? Yes, we could take a look at XLM in a minute. I haven't looked at XLM in a while. Let's see. I did have a pretty big bag of Stellar. I did take I sold it all. I took my profits. Actually, a little early. Actually, a little early in the run. I wish I held it a little longer. Rafi says, Frankie, Pop Rocks ASMR. Yeah, maybe we'll get that going. That would be good. Need ADA at 80 cents. All right, yeah, it wouldn't be bad. Drink some of the sauce. All right, guys, I was gonna do it at the end, right? But you know, maybe I'll do a little bit now, a little bit later. Should I drink it? Put it in the chat. Should I drink it straight out the jar like a real sauce boss, or should I just put it in a cup like an elegant sauce boss with the pinky up? You guys let me know. Let me know in chat, and I'll take a sip of it right now. Thank you, Captain Kirk, for getting rid of that. I appreciate you. I changed mine too, so you would say it. Oh, Doug. Doug changed his name. His old name was an encouraging phrase towards a guy named Brandon. Interesting. For some reason, Doug, I just assumed your name was Brandon, and you just went with that. You were just playing off that term. But that's funny. So, Doug, nice to meet you, Doug. Your new alter. I only know your alter ego. All right, let's see. Okay, straight out the jar. Sauce boss jar with a straw. I do not have a straw, unfortunately. Like a real New Yorker. All right, guys, we're doing it like a real New Yorker. Oh, you want a little sauce ASMR, guys? I imagine that sounds kind of nasty. All right, here you go. Little sauce. They call this a sauce pop. You guys ever see the movie The Other Guys? They do desk pops where they fire their things in the office. They trick them. This is called a sauce pop. Little desk pop for you. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. That's fresh sauce. That's fresh sauce, guys. Oh, yeah. Mom, I hope you're not watching right now. She'd be very offended that I'm drinking a jarred sauce. This is brutal for me. I'm only used to homemade sauce here. But here we go. You want a little ASMR so you guys know I'm drinking it here. Take a little sip straight out the jar like a sauce boss, baby. Break your candles, the sauce boss. Guys, that's not bad. I'll be honest with you. I mean, it's no homemade sauce, but guys, that's... That's not bad sauce. Guys, this might be a problem. This is by the way, this is even worse than just regular jarred ragu. This is a store brand. This is Target store brand, not sponsored by Target, guys. But this is store brand 3 cheese. I had to get 3 cheese, right? Big cheese fan. That's good stuff. That's pretty good for jarred sauce, not gonna lie. I mean, it ain't no Mama Candle sauce. I'll give you that. I'll tell you that for sure. It doesn't come anywhere close to Mama Candle sauce, but woo-wee. That is that's tasty. That's not bad. It's like a nice little snack. I feel revitalized, guys. I got this sauce flowing through my blood. So I feel like Iron Man when he drinks that chlorophyll. I feel, oh yeah, we're ready to go, baby. Let's do some TA. This is why red candles print. Chaz. Drink that up, my boy. Dante, yeah. Actually not bad for jarred sauce, not gonna lie. Sipping on some sizzles. Sipping on some sizzles. Sipping, that's a song, right? Oh, double chugging. Yeah, I took 2 sips for you guys, and we'll do a little bit at the end too. It's not because I like it. I swear, Mom. I don't like this jarred sauce. It's really gross. Yours is so much better. Here comes the wooden spoon, Matt T says. Yeah, my mom would hit me with a wooden spoon if she saw me drinking this jarred sauce. Ugh. Did you guys hear that Tom Brady is going to join Hollywood? He's going to star in and produce. I did not know that. Mom is in the chat. Oh, no. I don't know if they're trolling, but Mom, if you're in the chat, please don't fly down to Atlanta here and beat my booty with a wooden spoon or give me a little Denozo up the side of the head. You pop the top and the webcam spams immediately. Do you see a scalping setup for Bitcoin tonight? Great. Who asked that? Shane, I'm looking at you, man. Thank you for that question. That was a good question. Let's take a look. But yeah, Cardano, maybe if we break this support, probably looking to get into possibly or reach down into the 60s, or 60 cents, that is, not $60. That would be amazing. I think we'd all be rich. All the ADA gang people would be rich if we hit $60. But let's see. Let's take a look. Let's just take a look at these multiple time frames here. So, and if we see a setup that has already played out, I will point it out for you guys just so you know. I think repetition is the father of learning, right? So, I just feel like the more you guys see things, the easier, the more it'll stick in your head, and the easier you guys will be able to identify stuff. So let's take a look at the 45-minute here. Let's see. So somewhat of a, so right here to right here could have been a bullet. So, I mean, if we come up, right, if price continues to come down and momentum continues to come up, maybe we can get a little bullish divergence on the 30-minute here. And if you guys don't know, that is where price is coming down, right? And momentum, these blue waves down here are coming up, right? Creating that pinch point. Once again, I'm gonna lean like this, like I always do, pinch point, right? That's usually, you see it, the two lines converging towards each other, and then you see that pop to the upside. You're gonna have to wait a little bit to print a candle or two, or you need a little more price action to be sure. You are curving down on the VWAP, so we probably are gonna come down lower, so we will keep an eye on that. Coming to 24-minute, from here to there, it printed another red dot. We'll have to wait on it. Let's see. So technically, right, from here to, let me just get my little brush tool. So from here to there, right, you have that line going this way, pointed diagonally up. That's the worst arrow ever drawn in the history of TA. Yeah, I don't know. This mouse is very sensitive, guys. I'm sorry. But you have that line coming up like this with the momentum coming up. And then you also have, price coming down. So this is technically a bullish divergence, but you do have those yellow X's, so you want to be really careful. I would be very cautious here. You are also at the golden pocket there. But those yellow X's, guys, you want to be careful. I would not personally enter a trade here just because of that yellow X. It does look like maybe it could get invalidated a little bit. Not invalidated, but it might have played out already. But, definitely don't like entering trades, or at least longs, right? Not trades. I should say I don't like entering longs when those yellow X's are around. It's usually a bad idea. Let's see. From here, yeah, I mean, could be bullish divergences forming on the lower time frames, but might want to wait it out. Little blood diamond might have played out here, found support here on the golden pocket. Yeah, look at that. Got, bada boom, whoa, bada boom, and then from here you got bada boom, price coming down. And then usually you see a move to the upside here. So yeah, could be a scalp opportunity there. But yeah, could be a possible scalp opportunity. But yeah, those what time frame are those yellow X's on? Yeah. I mean, on the 24-minute, 18-minute, 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, those yellow X's scare me, but they're not on the lower time frames. Yeah, so I do like to point out those divergences for you guys. And I will be doing a video on them as requested today. I was actually already planning on doing it. But yeah, I do like to see that you guys do want to see that. All right, let's see. Get that money now. I know what I'm doing after watching for a bit. I'll be here every time I see you live. Matt T, let's go. Let's go, Matt T. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Can't grab it. 10. Here's a thousand fake dollars for you. For coming back to these streams and learning and knowing what you're doing, because we got you the sauce. We got you a little bit of sauce. We should make it a challenge every time I say I'm giving you guys the sauce. I should take a little sip of sauce. Starting now, though, not like sauce. I'm giving you the sauce. I'm giving you the sauce. Okay, starting now, if I say that word, I'm taking a sip of that stuff. I'm inevitably going to wind up drinking a lot of that today. Anyway, we should have Ben and TJ sound clips for the chat. Oh, okay. There's a famous Ben soundbite where he goes, trash! I don't know what he was talking about. I forget. But he was very passionately calling something trash. And now it's been memed. He just goes, trash! It's hilarious. Maybe, yeah, we do have a stream deck here. I'm going to work with BJ to try and get, I want to get a little music going maybe at times, right? If we get into like, we're going to have a little sound effects, funny stuff. Maybe some music. I think it'd be really cool. Maybe some graphics that pop up. I think it'd be really fun. I got like 24 keys here to map, so we can have a lot of fun with that. So yeah. All right, let's see. When you're scalping, where do you use the Fibonacci from the all-time high or just recent high? Excuse me, Jesse. Good question. If you have not watched my Fibonacci video, definitely go check that out. I basically tell you how I use it. I drop a lot of good gems in there. So definitely watch that if you have not, because I'm not going to go too deep into it. But I will say this. You don't really want to trade. A lot of people, right? The golden pocket, this area. Let me go down to a larger time frame here. Random line. They're the random lines, guys. Every single stream, we got those random lines. So here you go, right? This level right here, these two yellow lines, that is the golden pocket between the 0.65 level and the 0.618 level. That is the golden pocket. You won't have this 0.65 level on your Fibonacci retracement tool. I show you how to add it in that Fibonacci video. But so on the longer time frames, you don't want to trade. The golden pocket is very strong resistance and very strong support. But you don't, people always ask, like, why wouldn't you just trade the golden pocket? Now you can. There are times, like I took a scalp, and part of the reason I went into that scalp was because I knew we were at the golden pocket. I figured there was a good chance we would see a bounce as well as a confirmation on Market Cipher B, right? Confirmations, that's what we're looking for. But you don't want to be using it on the longer time frames, right? Because a lot of times what they'll do, right? The whales know about the Fibonacci retracement. They know about the golden pocket. All these other traders know about it, where it's not a secret, right? But a lot of times what the whales will do is they'll push the price past. They know that a lot of people, and I've said this before, but this is just for the new people. They know that a lot of people have long orders set at the golden pocket, expecting if price comes down there, they can fill their long order and they can ride it up. But obviously the whales know this. So a lot of times what they'll do is they'll push the price past the golden pocket, right? And liquidate all those longs, spiking the price past the golden pocket, only to have it spike back up and bounce, right? So you don't. That's why you don't want to trade it on the longer time frame. I go a little more into detail about that in the video, so definitely check it out. But when I use it to trade, I'll use it on the smaller time frames. I hope that helps you. Let's see. Good night, guys. John out. John Connor, thank you for being here. We'll see you next time, man. All right. Let's see. So, let's see. I bought more ADA yesterday at 90, so naturally it's lower today. I have the effect on anything I buy. V-Slim, don't worry, you're not the only one. I hear everybody says that. It's okay. Don't worry. Hopefully, if you've been listening to the streams, I know you have been in here a lot, V-Slim. Hopefully you didn't put your whole bag in. You just put a little bit, and you can wait for it to drop down and get in a little bit lower. Huge stock market crash coming. This is just the beginning. World War III at our hands. China, Russia both starting it. Yeah, we do have a lot of worldly things going on. Guess who? That's his name. I'm not just saying guess who or her name. But 200 plus likes. Let's go, guys. 203 concurrent viewers, 213 likes. If you guys like free NFTs, if you guys like free Ledger Nano S's, MC Crypto, I don't know if you're in here. I didn't see you yet, but your Ledger Nano S is in the mail currently. Should be at your house. Or wherever you had me send it, very soon, any day now. Let's see. Pearl said he's always looking for confirmation. That's a good strategy. Yes. Good job, Pearls. Good job. Frank, you 1000% This is Tony Armad saying, Frank, you 1000% need a sound for the NYC Bing Bong. It's absolutely perfect for the stream. Smash it every time you get to 100 likes. Yeah, that is one of the sounds I've been thinking about. Imagine, it might be dangerous to have a Bing Bong button. Just Bing Bong, Bing Bong, Bing Bong. Yeah, that could be dangerous, but yeah, we will maybe, yeah, we'll have certain times we play certain sounds. We'll play the Bing Bong sound maybe when we win trades, or you know, if someone in, you know, Bing Bong will be special. Let's see, Chris Weeks, I'm back. Let's go, Chris. Hashtag value, absolutely love that you guys are learning. Let's see, Adam Bernard, what's happening, Chris? LFG, yes sir. Law, I've learned I never buy with my whole bag anymore. DCA, VSlim, absolutely. Yes, definitely good strategy. Don't worry, guys. I'll enter a short with massive leverage so the market turns around. Dude, bro, funny. Yeah, it almost seems like these leverage exchanges know where your stop loss and take profits are, and they just miss them barely. That's why I'm always staring at the charts. But yeah, by the dips, Matt T says, absolutely highly recommend Fibonacci video. If you have not watched it, if you go check it out. Mitch, thank you for that. Yes, Mitch watched it and got a lot out of it. Thank you for that, Mitch. So guys, definitely check it out. Definitely very valuable. If you watched that video, you could have seen, I mean, I also said this on the stream yesterday that you could look for a scalp long off of that golden pocket yesterday. But if you watched the Fibonacci video, you could have seen that as well. And you could have gotten in that trade with me and we could have made money together. I'm sure some of you did. Let's see. Don't have the ADA wallet, but want somebody to get that NFT. Smash the like. Jason, let's go. AD says hashtag Bing Bong. Let's see. Frankie, say it was the bottom of the bear market and you have 2 assets to invest in. Which would you pick? Whoa, lost profit. Did I meet you at a meetup? I think I'm at a, did I meet, are you the one that I met? I know I love part-time chemist. I met you, I know. Lost profit, I feel like I did meet you, possibly. Guys, I remember everything, okay? I don't know, I might be making up that I met him, but if I did, that would be epic. So we're at the bottom of the bear market. I have 2 assets I can buy. Hard decision. I'm an ETH guy, right? But ETH is up there in market cap, meaning that it would take a lot of money for the gains, right? The higher the market cap, the harder it is to get those extra multiples of gains. So I did make money on ETH this cycle, so maybe I would drop it into a little bit of a, maybe Solana. Do I have no crypto? I mean, if I had no crypto, I don't know. If I was able to keep my bags that I have now, I would say Solana. And no, I would go with 2 metaverse plays is what I would do. 2 metaverse plays. Yeah, maybe Solana and a metaverse play. Yeah. Yes, for a Bing Bong button. Let's go, Bubba's Crypto. We're getting the Bing Bong button set up for sure. I'm gonna work on that tomorrow, actually, see if we can get some cool sound effects. That would be real. That would make this stream so much more fun than it already is. How to enter? I don't know how to say your name. How do you enter? I guess you mean the NFT giveaway. Go to the Market Cypher A video on the Frankie Candles YouTube channel and like it. Leave a comment, and you'll be entered in to win. Can we look at VeChain? Yes. VeChain, where are you? There she blows. Okay. VeChain. Again with the alts, looking very similar to Bitcoin. I feel like it sounds like a broken record saying that, but very true. Got the VWAP coming up, as we do on most things. Daily VWAP coming up, about to cross over and print a green dot, hopefully. Could get rejected. I was saying this yesterday, guys. You don't want to front run the VWAPs. This might take a minute to explain, but if you guys are interested, I could give you a little bit of Market Cypher B sauce. Unbelievable, I said it. If you guys want Market Cypher B, this stuff, let me know in the chat. I'll spend a minute explaining to you how I use the VWAP. All right, not gonna lie, it gets a little worse and a little worse with each sip. But yeah, so, all right, let's, so you do have the VWAP coming up. You don't want to front run the VWAP, so let me know if you guys want that Market Cypher B, and I'll explain to you why. But yeah, so VWAP coming up on the daily. What do we got? Yeah, 3 cents. Yeah, we're close. I bought VeChain originally, I think, at 2 or 3 cents. So almost at break even there with the VeChain that I haven't sold yet. I still have a little bag of it. But yeah, I would say 3 cents is a pretty good accumulation for VeChain. You know, yeah. Again, you know, if we dump, we're gonna dump, but you know, 3 cents not bad. Coming in about 4.5 cents right now. So let's take a look. That's the daily. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. You know, VWAP down in the red, curving up with the money flow here, as you can see, right? You got nice curvature coming down a little bit, but generally coming up. Blood diamond printed on the 4-hour. This could bring us down. Let's see. Yeah, look at that blood diamond. That blood diamond took us down, you know, just roughing it out here. Oof, 38% on the 4-hour. Yeah, blood diamond. We are in a support range right here, right? As you can see, right? We stuck it here, stuck it here. We have support at the top. As you guys know, we draw support normally as ranges, right? So you don't get faked out when you wick below a support line. So we draw them as ranges or these rectangles in TradingView. But yeah, maybe we can, I mean, if this thing pushes us down past this, probably coming down a bit, you know, a bit lower. Let me come up to, let me zoom out a little bit here. Yeah. Yeah, if we break that, yeah, I mean, we're coming down almost to 3 cents probably. Yeah, let's end a yellow X on the 8-hour. Not looking great, not looking great. And the VWAP, you got the, okay, guys, look, you have the VWAP coming down, right? And a yellow X. I would not be putting I would not be putting longs in on these green dots. But yeah, this yellow X could push us. This one didn't really play out that much, but this could push us out of this support range and crash us closer to 3 cents. So I hope that helps you. All right, let's see. Crypto Anon, what's going on? What's going on, Crypto Anon? More sauce. VeChain is getting a stable coin soon, dude. Oh, nice. Getting a stable coin. B-Saw. Oh, God, I keep saying sauce, guys. I'll take one more sip. Oh, God, you guys are putting in the checks. You know, I'll read it. All right. Not bad sauce, but much better with pasta or macaroni. Can't believe I just said pasta. Anyway. All right. Crypto Anon says, yummy, this stuff. Can we get a look at AVAX? Yes, we will look at AVAX. AVAX. Gotta wash down that stuff, guys. Gotta wash down that stuff. All right. Daily, looking, you know, VWAP coming up. Not as quite as good curvature, right? We're actually curving a little bit down here. Coming down, let's check the 12-hour. You know, VWAP coming down on the 12-hour. Let's just run down the time frames here. 8-hour, yeah, red dot just printed on the 6-hour as the VWAP's coming down with a blood diamond. Ken, I wonder if you could trade AVAX on FEMAX. Actually, I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, that blood diamond with the VWAP coming down, actually, yeah, it could bring us down. That could bring us down. We do have support right here at about 53 cents, though, so I'd be looking there for a bounce. Or, you know, maybe even this level here at 65 for a bounce, you know, like maybe somewhere in this range right there. So yeah, hope that helps. Let's see. Yes, Market Cipher B. I don't have Market Cipher B. I'm poor. Thomas, here you go. I don't know how much this is. You gotta have this. That's for Thomas. No worries. I feel you don't need Market Cipher B to trade, to be a profitable trader. You do not need Market Cipher B. It helps a lot. Market Cipher B is easier to read than normal indicators. There's a bunch of different indicators smashed into one. So yeah, you don't need it to trade, but it definitely does help. But you got me, right? You can look at the charts on the stream and see what things are doing and learn how to read it. And then at least you get a little daily dose of Market Cipher B, right? So you can have an idea of what I'm thinking about Market Cipher B. Adam, I see you. He's laughing at me about the, you know, this stuff. Can't say the word. Let's see. Got to get back to work. See you tomorrow. V Slim. Hasta mañana. All right. Heartburn incoming. Yes, Pearls. Probably. That acidic tomato. If other indicators show a good short, possibility. Yeah, I think you're probably talking about AVAX maybe. Yeah, I would say if you could get confirmation, right? Like, so you have the VWAP coming down on Market Cipher B, you got the blood diamond here. You are starting to lose this fib level. So yeah, a couple confirmations right there. But but how are you doing, Frankie? Hey, Uncle Jimmy. Everybody always asks Frankie Candles, how's Bitcoin doing, right? How's Bitcoin doing? But no one ever asked me how I'm doing. So I appreciate that, Uncle Jimmy. I'm doing good. I'm doing great. I'm happy. I love doing this. I love being on stream. I'm happy right now. This is my favorite part of the day. I literally look forward to doing these streams every single night with you guys. You have no idea. It's my favorite part of the day because I love giving this stuff to you guys. I love giving this stuff to you guys. VeChain is, thank you for that, Uncle Jimmy. VeChain is worth 20 cents. Don't know how it arrived at 2. Chadwick, I know. I believe in VeChain long term as a project, so I will be picking up more VeChain at these lower prices for sure. These markets are looking a little suspicious. Rafi, you're funny. All right, let's see. Nah, can't trade on a Femex, unfortunately. Darn. Let's see. Meatballs and marinara. Let's go, Jimmy. 2 shoes. Frankie, take another. You said blank right after you drank some. Is that blank good? Yes, it is very good. My sips are getting smaller and smaller as I go. Oh yeah, it actually is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. For jarred sauce. Last one. I'm never saying it again. Not bad for jarred. Gravy. Anyway, guys. Yeah, okay. Nah, can't trade on a few minutes. Okay. Okay, comments just jumped. Let's smash those like Crypto Anon. I appreciate that. 236. We're almost at 250, guys. That's our goal. Let's get it. Where on the globe is Saskatchewan? Love it. 204 local. You are hilarious. Can you post your charts on TradingView for us all to see? Yeah, so guys, I know I've been saying this. We have a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes. Discord is coming. I can share all my stuff in there quickly with you guys. Tomorrow, I'm going to be focusing on the Discord, getting another video recorded, and updating some stuff on the stream. Hopefully, I will be relying on other people's schedules as well for some of that stuff. So hopefully we can get some of it done. But we're making progress. I told you guys we were going to get these giveaways going. Now we're giving away NFTs. We already gave away a Ledger Nano S1. We're going to give away another one. We're giving away an NFT. We got the wheel. We're doing the challenges. I told you guys I was going to drink this stuff on stream if I landed it on the wheel of pain. We're doing it. We're getting things rolling here. So Discord soon. Sound effects for the stream soon. Everything is coming. It's in the works. We're rocking and we're rolling. Let's see. Can't wait to win my ADA NFT and one-on-one with main man Frankie. Will, let's go. I hope you win too. I would love to get on some one-on-ones with you guys. If it dives, I'll just keep it and wait. Okay, yeah, David, not a bad strategy. As long as you don't need the money for anything super important. Tony D, one of our mods, is respecting pearls for being witty. I don't know if I caught that. I heard from my sources that the bear market might be over soon. Pearls, you're funny. I love these little puns, these little gravy puns we got going on. All right, give it to me. I want to see your trades on Discord. Thomas, yes, we're going to be putting tons of the Discord's going to be very, very good. I think that's going to be big for this channel. It's going to grow the community. Everybody's going to be able to talk and share with what they're thinking about the markets. I'm going to be able to go in there, give you guys exclusive info. It's going to be great. All right, let's see. When are you coming to the UK link up, Frankie? Hey, hopefully one day. Never been to the UK. I would love to be there. Can't wait for the Discord. Crypto Anon, let's go. Southern California. Also, guys, a lot of you guys are reaching out to me on Twitter. I just want to let you know I am seeing your DMs. I am reading them. I am very busy. Never too busy for you guys, but I am seeing them. I will answer you. I might not answer right away. Just give me some time, and I will get back to all of them. I just need to find some time to set aside to answer you guys. I will answer you. I promise. I do see you. What's the play in your opinion when XRP case settles? XRP, Bitcoin, ETH to load up on? Thank you. Listen, if that XRP case ever ends, I do hold a huge bag of XRP, so that would be very good for that. I think a lot of people think that the XRP, if XRP wins that case, we can. A lot of people think that will kickstart the bull run back up. for us to top out later this year. Not impossible, but I'll believe it when I see it. I don't know if this XRP case is ever going to end, but hopefully if it ends, hopefully it ends well. If they win, it could be huge for XRP holders. Do you know who Satoshi Boomin is? He loves VeChain. No, I've never heard of Satoshi Boomin. How much would the Discord be? Aramis Garcia. It's going to start off free. How about that? How about that? We'll just get you guys in there. And then maybe we'll make certain channels or, certain sections of the Discord paid. I think you can do that. But the Discord's going to start out completely free. And then maybe we will add extra paid features or a separate paid Discord. I'm not 100% sure how it would work. But yeah, it'll be free to start out. And then maybe we'll add more paid stuff into it. But who knows? Maybe it'll just be free. You guys know I love giving you guys stuff. I love giving you Ledger Nano S's. I love giving you NFTs. Also, guys, not sponsored by this NFT project, Dognuts, at all. I have no affiliation with them at all. NFT update, Justin Dees, I have no affiliation with them at all. I bought this with my own money out of my own pocket. So this is just me giving back to you guys for supporting the channel because I genuinely appreciate you guys. Yeah, so there that is. Let's see. Grandma here. Discord is overwhelming. Any sources to learn it? Try not to laugh. Hey, Andy, I don't blame you. Listen, Discord is kind of confusing. I would just say download it and enter, get into one of the channels, get into a Discord channel and just kind of look through it. Maybe YouTube how to use Discord. I didn't YouTube it or Google it really. I just kind of figured it out by like looking at it and messing around with it. But it could be a little overwhelming. It is kind of set up weird. Someone asked me to explain what. Oh, here we are on YouTube here. But yeah, a lot of people ask me to explain Discord. I don't know how to explain it. Is it a messaging app? Is it a community app? I don't know what it is. But maybe just YouTube how to use Discord, and then yeah. Okay, let's see. Excited for Discord. Let's go, guys. Try saying it like this, brother. Aramis. Gotcha. Aramis. I say Aramis. I say Aaron, Karen, not Aaron, Karen. I say January, not January. But there you go. Aramis. I'll try to remember that. If the XRP case ends in the bear market, will it affect the price much less if it happens in the bull market? Thomas, I would think so. Yeah. If it happens at the pits of the bear market and XRP rips, let's say rips whatever 250%, whatever it is from the bottom, is gonna I think it'll have a less significant effect than when we're in a bull market and everybody's all euphoric and all that. I do think that would have an effect. Hey Frankie, do you think there are any flying saucers out tonight? I think that was a gravy joke. Crypto Mag, you're good. Let's see. I don't like Discord either. Whenever the BitBoy crew comes to the UK, I would love to help accommodate and show you around. I've been dying to come to the US. First place I'll come is the Hit Network BitBoy Studio. Yes, Adil, Adil. I don't know how to say your name, but yeah, come on down. Doubled 63. Hello. It says hello, Frank. What is going on? Welcome to the stream. Thoughts on Algo? Let's take a look at it. Algo. Let's see. Algo. And guys, just a little side note. If you guys ever have any suggestions on videos you want to see or things you want to see in the stream, little different ways you want us to do the streams, just let me know. And leave it in a comment on a video. I'd read almost all of the. I read all of the comments. I respond to them. I might not respond to them right away, right? But I do try to carve out time every week to answer and just go through and answer every single comment. It is me answering them. I don't have a team that is answering them. Like if you get a comment answered, it is me. So if you don't get a response right away, I will answer them. So put your suggestions in in chat, or even better in a comment, because I read them all. Sometimes I miss chats. So let us know what you guys want to see on the channel. All right, so here we go. Algo. Let's get rid of this line. Okay, so let's start over on the daily. Yeah, I mean, Blood Diamond here brought us down. Boom, we had a little relief there, but 28%. Maybe. Let me just draw a little line here. Boom. yeah, maybe we bounce off this support line a little bit. If not, this level here at about 68 cents is pretty strong support. So I think we could see a really, really decent bounce off of that. But obviously depends on what the market looks like. I don't personally hold any algo, but I would, worst case scenario for the short term being in the next, few days or weeks, I would say, about 68 cents. Watch that support. All right, let's see. Yeah, all right, guys, we're hour and 41 minutes in. So I did see some people shouting out that market cipher thing that they wanted me to talk about. Basically, what I wanted to say was you don't want to front run VWAP, right? A lot of people will see like, oh, look at this. Let me make this bigger so you guys can see VWAP being these yellow waves right here. Some people might see this, be like, oh, it's about to cross. Let me jump in early so I'm in before it crosses up. I'll get a better entry. You don't want to do that for this reason, right? Let me find a perfect example for you right here, right? Came up, you might have been like, oh, I'm going to front run it. It's like one more candle and it's going to cross over. I'll get in early. And then you get in and then boom, it just rejects and comes back down. You can get wrecked like that. So you don't want to front run. Honestly, any indicator, you want to wait for a confirmation on most indicators, but definitely don't front run the VWAP. Basically, how I use it is I find it to find a good entry point, right? So let's say, I find a good setup on the 1 hour, right? I'm looking here and I'm just like, this is just an example. There's no, let's just say you see, you get, a yellow X and there's a bearish divergence and everything is screaming, you're breaking support, everything is screaming short, right? Then I'm waiting for these. The VWAP basically is a great way to find good entries, right? So if you were looking to short, as VWAP is coming up to cross over the zero line to the upside, obviously, even if you're on a longer time frame looking at the setup, you might want to go down to the lower time frames, like maybe the half hour, or just come down lower where you're not entering. You want to be entering a short as the VWAP is crossing down and entering a long as the VWAP is crossing up. So I'll basically find a setup and then enter based off of the VWAP, right? Just it helps you find better entries, better exits. You don't want to be entering a short as you're crossing up on the VWAP. All right, and if you guys want to learn more about Market Cipher B or Market Cipher A, we have both Market Cipher A and Market Cipher B tutorials on the channel live right now. Go check them out. All right. Blanchard's B says hashtag Bing Bong all night long for Frankie Candles, hashtag value. Let's go, Blanchard's Bees. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you later. Bubba's Crypto, thank you for being here. We always love having you. See you next time. I don't know why I said that so fast. All right. Let's see. Thanks, Frankie. No problem, Bubba's. Love to help you out. It's more private on Discord. Let's see. Hashtag value, Thomas. Let's go. 6-hour chart from 2021. Breakout on XRP before starting big move up. Looks identical. If this next candle is a doji. Okay. So let's explain what a doji is, Jason, for the people who don't know. Let's see. 6-hour chart from 2021. Breakout on XRP. 2021. 6-hour chart, 2021 breakout. All right, let's see. Let's go to XRP. Let's go to 6-hour chart, right? And we're looking for 2021 breakout. I don't know what breakout you're talking about. Where are we? 2022, 2021. I don't know what breakout you're talking about. Like the breakout. Yeah, I don't know exactly where you're talking about, but let's touch on a doji candle, right? Let's doji candle. All right, let's see here. Let's see if I can pick out a little image of a doji candle. Let's go to images. Okay, here you go. Okay, so long-legged doji candle, right? This is basically what they look like, right? They have long wicks on the upside and long wicks on the downside with a flat candle body in the middle. Basically what these mean are, let me see if I can find one, right? Basically what these are indecision candles. So a lot of times you'll find them, at support or at resistance, right? So Here's one right here. Let me turn off Market Cipher A so you guys can see. Get the notebooks, guys. Get the pens, get the pencils, get the notebooks, get your crayons, whatever you draw with. So here's one right here, right? Here's one right here. This is a doji candle. So you'll see, so you can see, I'm going to zoom in extra for this, right? You can see right here, right? You have, it's hard to draw this zoomed in on the 6 hour, but yeah, it's right here. That's a doji candle. You have the long wick on the top, a long wick on the bottom, little candle, flat candle body in the middle. Now, this is basically saying price doesn't know which way to go. It tried to go up, the bears pushed it down. It tried to go down, the bulls pushed it up, right? So you're stuck at this indecision point. Now, a lot of people think that they see a red doji candle, right? And they're like, oh, it's gonna dump. It's gonna dump. It's a red doji candle. It didn't know which way to go, but it's a red candle, so it's gonna go down. Obviously, that would have been a bad move as we had to move to the upside, right? So I'll tell you what you can do. You don't want to just, if this was a green one, right? This is red. It could have gone up. It could have gone down. It could have been green, could have gone up, could have gone down. But what you can do is you can wait for the next candle to come above the doji candle, and then you can enter. Right, so if you get a candle up here, you can enter in. You can enter into one of these later candles that confirm that it is above. Right, so this kind of says like, all right, we wicked past. We wicked up past this doji candle's wick. It's even better if you could close above it, to close the body above it. But you could see that the momentum was higher for the bulls over here. We came up, broke that level of the wick on the doji candle, and then you can enter and ride it up. That's kind of how you can predict whether the doji candle is going to play out to the downside or the upside. Let's see if we can find one. Look at this, kind of the same setup here. Long wick on the top, bottom, long wick on the top, right? For the most part, I think that bottom wick might be a little shorter, but either way, very similar. Kind of an indecision candle, right? It did wind up being red, but then you had this candle close underneath that wick. You could have guessed that it was going to go down. Obviously, we didn't come down too much, but you did get those red candles to the downside, right? So yeah, if you guys want to, here's a perfect example, right? Here's another one. This candle closed above it. You could be like, okay, that's great, enter, and then you get to move to the upside. So hope, guys, hashtag value, hashtag bing bong if you just learned something. I didn't even have that planned for the stream today. That was just off that comment or that chat talking about the doji candles. But yeah, just a little sauce on there. Here's another one. You have a green doji candle, right? Shorter wick on the top, but close enough. Then this body closed. It wicked way below, but it closed. You could enter in and then ride it down. So there you go, guys. Hashtag value, hashtag bing bong if you're learning something. If you did not know what a doji candle was and you do now, hashtag bing bong, baby. All right. Okay, Captain Kirk, I'm just like totally clueless off of these emojis. I now see the emojis and get it. Question in chat about Harmony 1, please. Question in chat about Harmony 1, please. Question in chat about Harmony 1, please. Was that the third one? No, it was the fourth one. I'm sorry, Captain Kirk. I got to pay better attention to that. Thank you for that. Question about Harmony 1. Let's see. Bada boom, bada boom. All right. I'm just going to read through these. Hopefully I could find that question about Harmony 1. I am determined to learn it. I think I can. Heading out for the night. Thanks for the encouragement. Hey, Andy Lee, anytime. You can do it. You can learn it. Don't get discouraged. Even if you lose, it's okay. You come back stronger and you swing harder and you hit the ball further next time. Let's see. But doesn't hurt to have. What do you think about trading bots like KuCoin? Hey, dude, doubled 63. Like I said, I don't have much experience with trading bots, but Justin here from Meta Money, he said the KuCoin bots actually worked out quite well. Might be worth giving a try. I can't personally say they're good myself, but I trust Justin. If he says he had a good experience, I'm sure he had a good experience. Okay, let's see. Somehow I always get in high, then get out low. Jessica, so does 90% of the people, the retail investors, retail traders. That's what 90% of people do. The reason is because the whales play human emotion, right? The whales play to human emotion. That's all these charts are. These charts are basically plotting human emotion. And the whales know how to pluck those strings of your heart and get you scared and give them away your cheap. Think about it that way, guys. When you're crashing, when price is going down and you feel so scared you want to sell your Bitcoin, sell your ETH, sell your XRP, whatever it is, all you're doing is is you're submitting to the whales. Yes, I'm you scared me enough. You can have my cheap Bitcoin. Here you go. That's all it is. So just remember that when you're selling in the red. Never, you want to buy red, sell green. I know it's way easier said than done, but don't worry, you'll get it. Don't give up. Don't get discouraged. Just remember, when you feel scared, it's usually when you want to buy. When there's fear in the market, you buy. You buy fear, you sell greed. Everybody wants to buy when Bitcoin's on the news. But by the time Bitcoin's in the mainstream news and they're talking about it on Bloomberg saying, oh my God, Bitcoin's the best performing asset of the year, whatever it is, that's usually when you want to sell. That's usually when most people get in. Maybe you get one last retail blow off top from that, but that's usually when you want to start selling. So I hope that helps you guys. Little life lesson there. Little crypto wisdom. Let's see. What do you think? Somehow, great show, Frankie. Joshua, I appreciate that. Thank you. Hashtag value 204 local. Let's go. There are questions in the chat about Harmony One. Finally caught up listening at 2x. Let's go, Aaron. Hey, I listen to almost all my YouTube videos in 2x speed. I now can't unhear 2x speed. I can't watch videos in normal speed anymore. I get anxiety. I need to listen in 2x speed. You're just learning faster, right? Why not? Then now you can watch 2 streams. You know what I'm saying? You get it done twice as fast. I love that. I do the same thing. What up, Frankie? Hope you're good. Icon, doing great. Happy to have you here. The janitor is going to kick you out of session. Yes, probably. Let's see. When you enter a trade on the 1 hour chart, how long will you stay in the trade? Depends on the... I see these Harmony One things. I'm trying to find the actual question. I can't find it. Tony, if you could find that chat and just send it back in so I can see it if you haven't already. It depends on the setup. I usually, if I am in a longer swing trade, I will just move my stop loss into profit and ride it up continuously to get the maximum amount of profit. So I hope that helps you. Let's see. I'm going to skip down. Okay. Let's see. Doji equals Dodgy. Yes, Crypto AK. I like Harmony. Question in chat about Harmony One, please. Oh my God, where is it? Hashtag value. Forget about it, chart boss. Jimmy Tucci, thank you for that. Harmony One in the chat. Here goes Bitcoin. All right. I really wish I could find this Harmony One question. How do you feel about laddering orders? I love laddering in and out of positions. That is probably the most effective way to do it. You're never going to find the exact bottom. You're never going to find the exact top. Aramis. I hope you get that. I hope I said your name right this time. Let's see. Hashtag value, hashtag Bitcoin, hashtag Bing Bong. Let's go, guys. Love that you guys are getting value out of this. Okay. It's all good. Has been patiently asking. Okay, yeah, because my chat keeps jumping. I go to work in 4 hours, need to catch a power nap. Thank you for everything. As always, Frankie, see you tomorrow, same time. I'll catch up at the rest of the video in the morning. Hashtag Bing Bong, hashtag gravy. Adil, thank you for being here. Bing Bong. I did know, but Bing Bong. Hashtag value. I'm really looking for this Harmony One thing. I really can't find it. Let me just go to the bottom and see if anyone posted it. Oh, he's getting there, Austin Law. He just had to look a squirrel moment on the way. Wow. Looking for the Harmony One stuff, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna find this Harmony One thing, guys. I feel bad. Can you look at Adam for me, buddy? Jesse, yes. Let's look at Adam. I love looking at Adam. Tony, if anyone can just one of the mods find that Harmony One question and put it in while we look here. Hopefully we could find it. I'd love to answer the question. I feel bad I missed it so many times. Captain Kirk, I will pay attention to those emojis. Okay. All right, Adam. Okay. Taking a look here. Let's look at the daily. Here we go. All right. So VWAP crossing over. We have crossed over the 0 line. Doesn't look like a very strong crossover, to be honest. However, we could see something like this where we come up, go straight, kind of flatten out, and then come up a little more. Coming into the red on the daily, though, might be seeing a little more downside. Yeah, probably gonna have support right there. Yeah, I would be keeping an eye on this. Right about here, we wicked down to about 22.99.9, 23 basically. Yeah, so maybe be keeping an eye out for that. Let me turn on Market Cipher A, see if we're getting any yellow X's or anything. No, not on the daily. 16-hour VWAP coming down. 12-hour VWAP coming down. 3-hour printed a red dot as the VWAP is below the 0 line. Money flow coming up, though, on the 3-hour. Could see that VWAP come back up and come up to the upside. 1-hour VWAP down. Could be printing a little trigger wave here, if we're being honest, guys. Could come down more, but maybe we can print a little trigger wave right here for a little bit of, a little more upside. You are going to probably retest this level right here as resistance. But yeah, below the 0 line with the VWAP there. Could be curving up soon. 45, nothing. Yeah, again, going to be very dependent on Bitcoin, right? Let's check the lower time frames. Coming down. 15-minute, coming down. Coming into the red on the 15-minute, right? This could, been in the green for a little while here, actually, on the 15-minute. How long was this? About over a day in the green. Could be coming down to the red, as you guys can see. This money flow coming into the red, right? These money flow crossovers you do typically see, right? Money flow coming from the green into the red like this. You see as we do that, price does come down, right? Very, very powerful, very powerful. Now, as we cross down into the red over here, let's check our 4-hour and see if the VWAP is also coming down. So you got that 4-hour VWAP coming down, guys, with this little trigger wave. Oh, baby. What is this? What is this, guys? What is this? Oh, baby. This might... Okay. Not financial advice, guys. But this VWAP, 4-hour VWAP coming down with the 15-minute money flow crossover here could be a good shorting opportunity. Not financial advice. Just letting you guys know what I see on the chart. What you do in your trading account is up to you. You have to do your own analysis, make your own decisions. But this might look juicy. I wish we found this earlier in the stream. Oh, God, this could have been the day. This could have been when we hopped into a trade. But Ukraine claims Russia may be planning a false flag at chemical plant in, 19 minutes ago. Interesting, interesting. Fear in market is building up. You can tell by the dip. How does taxes work when you trade? I am not a tax professional. I would not be the best person to ask that question. I don't want to give you bad information, Michael. Crypto Redbot, what's going on with the thumbs up? Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, just about at the end of the stream here, 266 likes, so close to 300. But we're going to get you 2 wheel spins here and see what we can land on. Let me just make sure. Oh, he just wants you to look at the chart for him. Okay, I got you. Let's see. Harmony. Okay, looking at the chart, guys. I got to the Harmony 1 thing. Thank you, Captain Kirk. Thank you, Evan S. in chat. Tony says, shout out Evan S. Winky face. I don't know what's going on there, but hey, Evan S., welcome to the stream. Okay, so taking a look at Harmony 1, guys. Here we go. Once again, yellow X's playing out as usual. Guys, these yellow X's are money. Look at this. First one brought you down 2%. Throw 10x leverage on that. That's 21% profit. Coming down, yellow X. Another, 2-3%. That was a little rough. A little more than, probably closer to 3%. Another 30% profit right there if you're trading with 10x leverage. So yeah, big moves there. The big opportunity there. And you also had money flow coming down, guys. Look at that money flow coming down. You get the yellow X's. You had the blood diamond. Everything was screaming it. So there you go. If you were trading it, I don't know where you can trade. I don't know if you could trade Harmony 1 on leverage anywhere, but I just wanted to point out how those yellow X's play out. And again, you have the green dots here thinking you might want to long, but you get that yellow X. You want to stay away from longing when you have those yellow X's because you're inevitably most likely going to get pushed down. But let's come over to the daily. That was on the 15-minute, I believe. Was that the 15-minute? Yeah, that was the 15-minute. Okay. Coming over to the daily. Taking a look, right? Coming up to some support here, right? Coming up to some support at about 12 cents, 12.5, 12 cent, 12 and a half cents. So maybe we get a bounce here. Let's go ahead and pull a little Fibonacci from here. That is not Fibonacci. That is a measure tool. All right, let's go. Let's go. You know what? Actually, let's see what this does. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's about the same. Boom. Oh no, we don't want to do that. You know what? Forget the fib, guys. We're kind of coming up to the end of the stream here. I do have somewhere to be, but yeah, keep an eye here. We could see a bounce off of this 12 cent, 12.5 cent mark, because you are coming up to, you do have resistance, it acts as resistance here, resistance, and then support, right? So it is likely that you might see a bounce here. You also have the VWAP coming up on the daily, so might see a little bounce here. So yeah, I hope that helps you. I'm sorry it took me so long to get to that question. Captain Kirk, thank you for bearing with me on that. I can't believe that I let that many messages go by. You guys should listen to Crypto in slow motion. He sounds drunk. Okay, Joshua, I might go ahead and do that. We love Crypto. Please, I know no financial advice. Bitcoin last analysis. When can we super chat you, Shane? We're working on the super chats. Soon, hopefully this week or next week. Okay. Last thing on Bitcoin, guys. Again, if you're worried about the title, I do think there is a chance that we could come down, right? I do think there is a chance that, yeah, look at this. We could be losing the golden pocket here, guys. If we lose this golden pocket, I think we could possibly see a bounce here at the 786 level, or about 35.5 is what it looks like to be right about there at the 786 level. We could see a bounce there, but I think we may inevitably, if we break this golden pocket, we could be on our way down to about 34, into the 34,000s at this spider line. So just, we do have the blood diamond on the 3-day, which has brought us down 50% in the past. So that could easily bring us down to 34K or even lower, depending on, how well this blood diamond plays out. But last time we had it, it brought us down 50%. So just keep that in mind. I'm not saying the bear market is here. I'm not ready to throw in the towel just yet, but we do have to protect ourselves. But either way, it doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter. We're making money either way, going up or down on this channel. We make money going either way. 180 people still in chat, guys. 273 likes, so close to 300. I'm sorry, rushing through this last part of the stream. Whoever Bitcoin analysis, guys, if you just came in, I just went over it for you last minute. So I hope that helps you guys out. Tip top chat. Let's go, Joshua. Okay, guys, so let's spin this wheel. We got some empty spots. I didn't see any new things, so maybe I'll start filling this in with my own stuff. If you guys don't want to throw stuff in chat, if you ever do want to just throw it in there, mods, if you could save them and let me know so I can add them. But other than that, I'll start adding some myself. So we have a full wheel. But here we go. Spin number 1, guys. Maybe we're just going to order a new wheel, guys. This one is just janky. It's not as fun. Not hearing the da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. That's always fun to hear. Pink, nothing, empty. And guys, the Cardano NFT giveaway, it does look like most people, guys, if you are in the giveaway, put hashtag NFT. If you still need to enter and add and put a comment on our new Market Cypher A video, put hashtag wait. And if I get an overwhelming amount of waits, then I will wait and we'll let it sit for one more day. If I get a bunch of yeses and no waits, then we'll just pick the winner right now. Oh, guys, I got the night off. Let's go. You saw it here first. Night off. Super pumped about that. I did get a little challenge done today. I did drink the gravy straight out of the jar. Almost said bottle. Okay. So one more spin. Here we go. While you guys are putting your hashtag wait, hashtag NFT in the chat. Guys, look at this. We're just getting started here on this channel. We already got multiple giveaways. What does that say? Weekend stream. All right, guys, you heard it here first. I will be going live this weekend at some point. Oh my gosh, I don't see any waits. I literally, I see one wait. I see one wait. Alexander, real quick, go to the channel and go to the Market Cypher A video and leave a comment and like the video real quick, and you'll be entered. I think you are the only wait. I don't want to leave. I don't want. Okay, we got a couple waits. Shane said wait. All right, guys. Overwhelmingly NFT. But I don't want anyone to get. Yeah, we got another wait. I don't want anyone to feel like they missed out. We will. You know what, guys? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna say it. I don't care that you broke your elbow. You guys ever see that video? I don't know why I'm like this. But what about this? What about this? How about we announce the NFT, we'll announce the NFT winner tonight. Right now, after hours, we're 6 minutes over. No big deal. Happy to do it. We'll announce the winner tonight. I'll just give away another NFT. How about that? If you guys want another NFT, put hashtag another one, or hashtag DJ Khaled, whatever one you want to put. So no, it's okay, Mark. Definitely still watch the video because it's very good information. But don't worry, we're gonna give away another one. I'll just give away another one. How about that? Where do we go? If you want to enter to win the NFT, all right. You know what? I'm sorry. Hashtag another one. Let's see. Yes, let's go NFT giveaway. Another one. Okay. So listen, real quick, Austin, if you want to enter real quick while we try to get it ready, go to the channel, go to the Market Cypher A tutorial, and just leave a comment and like the video, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. Yeah. Okay. All right. Forget it. We got a bunch of DJ Khaled's, a bunch of hashtag another one. So forget it. You're the machine. Absolutely, no problem. So, guys, if you want to go enter real quick while I get this ready, go leave a comment on the Market Cypher A video and like the video. You'll be entered into the giveaway. I'll give you 2 seconds to go do that right now. Go now. I'm kidding. But yeah, and then we'll just give away another one for anyone who missed. Forget it. We'll just give away another. I don't care. Whatever, guys. I do it for you. It's coming out of my home pocket, but I don't care. It's okay. It's okay. I do it for you guys. I appreciate you guys a lot. So I really, really, truly don't mind doing it. Okay. So here is the NFT while we're just letting those people just enter real quick. Here's the NFT. It is a Dog Nuts NFT. If you can get an idea of why it's called Dog Nuts, you can see it's a little censored right here. But it looks like there's a VR headset or something right here on the dog's head, but it also has Yoshi sitting on its head. I don't really know what's going on. You got the Atari mug. I feel like that's the coolest part of this. I'm actually kind of jealous. I kind of wish I bought 2 of these. But I'll give you the guys a cooler one anyway. But that Atari mug, this is a cool one. I'm actually excited to give this away. Okay, so, all right, let me just see real quick. Let me go to, okay, here we go. I hope everybody is back from leaving a comment. Hopefully they left a quick little comment. Let me refresh the page. All right. Oh, market. Oh, okay. Market's up. Wow. Okay. All right. Going to go here. Go into the video. Hopefully this doesn't play through the speakers. I'm going to pause it. Boom. Okay. All right. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Coming over here. Gonna go ahead and paste. Include replies. Okay. Boom. All right, we're retrieving the comments. Boom. Why does it say? Okay. You know what I'll do? Actually, I'm going to do this one more time. And make sure I get everybody. We'll do, in case anybody accidentally did a reply. Okay. That is good. Here we go. 329 people in this giveaway, guys. This is cool. This is very cool. Let me pull chat back up real quick. All right, you the man, Frankie Chris Weeks. I appreciate you, my man. 163 people in here. Let's go. 320 people. Okay, here we go, guys. We're going to pick the winner right now. Very friendly. Blanchard's Beef. Good luck, everybody. Love it. Here we go. Spinning the wheel. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, no. Oh, no, guys. Oh, God. Okay, that's actually hilarious. But we're going to pick another winner because obviously that's it, guys. Sorry, Frankie Candles won the giveaway. I'm keeping the dog nut. I told you I wasn't going to give it to you. That one's too cool to give away. I'm just kidding. Yes, we're going to pick another winner. I forgot I put replies, and I obviously replied to, there you go, Obsession 2024. Are you in the chat right now? If you are, go put a bunch of hashtag yays or hashtag I won in chat so I know you're still here. Her comment or his comment was, thanks for being so down to earth with us. Keep on the good work, Frankie. Thank you for that very nice comment, and I'm super, super, super happy you won the giveaway. So congratulations, Obsession 2024. You are now the proud owner of this Dognut NFT. Let's see. I don't know. They might have left already, but KP says rug pull. Not a chance. This is not my project. And plus they're getting a free NFT, so it doesn't even really matter. But I have no affiliation with this. I bought this. This came from out of my own pocket. I bought this today for you to give away to you guys. So congratulations to Obsession 2024. You won. Congratulations. So if you're not here, I will make sure that we get this to you. The mods know who won. I know who won. So we will make sure that we get you this NFT. If you want to reach out to me on Twitter, if you're watching this, Frankie_candles, please reach out to me on Twitter, and I will let you know how you can how you can receive this NFT. You're gonna have to get a Nami wallet. But yes, congratulations, Obsession 2024. And you guys heard it here first. You didn't even land on giveaway for the wheel, and I'm still just going to give away another one for the people who missed out today. No big deal. We still got the Ledger Nano S we're giving away. So NBD. There's always more giveaways to win on this channel. 282 likes, guys. If you have not smashed the likes, smash them on the way out. We're now 12 minutes over the stream, guys. Anyway, gonna go pull up the old solo cam here. Just wanted to say thank you so much for being here. I'm so happy I was able to give this NFT away. Congratulations, Obsession 2024. Super happy that you won. With that being said, that is all I got, guys. Love each and every single one of you. Yeah, so much to say. We have so much coming up. I feel like I have to remind you guys of a bunch of things that are coming up, but I do have somewhere to run. Thank each and every single one of you for being here. I love everyone. That's all I got. Frankie Candles, out.